आज हमने किया था ओरल ऑन्कोलॉजी कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत एक प्रोग्राम जिसको हम बोलते हैं सूचर स्किल लैब। इसमें हमने जो जनरल डॉक्टर्स हैं, BDS के, MDS के और MBBS के डॉक्टर्स या जो सर्जन्स जो बन रहे हैं उनके लिए हमने एक ये जो आज का वर्कशॉप था, खासकर हम लोग उनको इसमें हमने सिखाया कि कैसे सूचर्स लेते हैं, हमारे सर्जिकल सूचर्स कैसे लिया जाता है। सर्जिकल सूचर्स जनरल सूचर्स से अलग होता है और ये सूचर्स खासकर अलग अलग टिश्यूज़ में अलग अलग तरीके से कैसे लिया जाता है, उसका हमने उनको हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग दिया। हमारे यहाँ पर आज करीब 87 लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया इस कैंप में और सभी ने हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग लिया और बहुत ही अच्छे से उन्होंने सीखा। और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस तरीके का कैंप हम लोगों को फिर भी आगे करेंगे, जैसे कि ये जो यंग सर्जन्स है आगे चल के ये स्किल्स अच्छा स्किल डेवलप करें और ओरल ऑन्कोलॉजी कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम जो हमारा ICAN केयर का जो ओरल ऑन्कोलॉजी कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम है उसके साथ जुड़े रहें। धन्यवाद।
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nishit Mashru
And I'm Dr. Vidushi Chaturvedi.
and we are from Department of Emergency Medicine, Max Vaishali, first year.
We attended Suture Skill Lab 2.0 and we found it very useful because we got to know all types of knotting techniques and all types of suturing techniques right from the basics to very advanced level, and we would recommend it to all our upcoming juniors also. Thank you.
Cheers.
Hello, my name is Dr. Arohi. I work at Hindura Hospital. I attended this Skills Lab 2.0 because I really wanted to learn the skills in suturing, and I really had a amazing experience here. I feel very confident about my suture skills after attending.
This program is very useful for the youngster, those who want to really learn the practice of surgical knots, because it will give you an insight into it, how we can do it. It's an initial stage. You will learn the basics of it so that when you go further in your career, it will be very useful for you. So learning the basics is a very critical step when you go forward. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Simrani. I'm a third year medical student.
And I'm Arzu and I'm a second year medical student at Santosh Medical College.
And we're here at the ICAN Care Academy Suturing Skills Workshop.
Our aspiring surgeons that are the right foundation for us to learn surgery.
And it was a lot of fun. We learned the very basics to a little bit of the intermediate level as well, which was perfect for our level. And Dr. Pawan was absolutely amazing. He was so nice to us and he helped us learn so much. Very hands-on skills.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shubham Chopra. I'm a fourth year BDS student from ESIC Dental College. I got to know this about the suturing workshop from my professor, and it's a real game changer for me. Why? Because in the real hustle bustle of the college, it's really difficult to calmly learn about these techniques, and more or less there is not enough time for us to even practice also. We have to do it either in our homes or in our spare time. So yeah, it's a great additive to our skill set also, to learn different type of techniques which are not only used in our profession but also otherwhere. So I'm really happy about this program. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi Wadhwa from ESIC Dental College, Rohini, and I am a final year student. And I just attended the Master Surgical Skills workshop here, and it was a very great opportunity for all of us to learn the suturing skills and the knotting techniques from the basics. And we learned all of the kind of suturing techniques here used in our field as well as in other fields as well. So it was a great opportunity for all of us, and we are looking forward to more opportunities. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm Priya from Ethicon Endosurgery, and today I'm in the session of the organized by the ICAN Care on the science of energy, and that was a very detailed session, and I think most of the DNB students found it detailing and the practical scenario as well, and the concept which they have learned. I think in one of the incidents, even Dr. Pawan also said that he has been using the energy sources from last 30 years, but one of the concepts we got to know today. So yeah, I think these kind of sessions help the doctors a lot during their budding phases. So I would urge Dr. Pawan Gupta to organize more such sessions so that people can learn more about the science of energy concepts. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Amrita Singh from Aligarh. I have done my own clinic, Unit Dental Care and Implant Center, and this course is very fantastic, and I love this course. Thank you.
हेलो, मैं डॉक्टर चंद्रेश अग्रवाल I am Professor and Head, Department of ENT, Subharti Institute, Meerut. I am also practicing in visiting consultant in Max Hospital, Vaishali. Today's program is fantastic one, and it is one of the finest programs I have attended today. It was so economical, and where all the suturing techniques nicely performed, and it is one of the most important thing and the basic thing that the patient needs from the surgeon. Nice scar or no scar. At the same time, all the energy devices have been properly demonstrated and conveyed to this budding surgeons. So it was an excellent program. I hope that such kind of program will happen more frequently in future by Dr. Pawan Gupta and his team. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Neeru. So I am associated with Dantwari Foundation, and I'm associated with Dr. Pawan Gupta sir with Eye Care Academy. And this suture skill lab I have attended, and I wanted to uplift my suturing skills, and it was a great experience. The best part I like was individual attention and the demonstration and solving all the queries. The pictures and videos demonstration and lectures by the senior and experienced faculty was great, and it was a lovely experience, and it will definitely help me to do good in my clinical practice as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hemant Israni. I've been a practitioner for over 20 years now, and this is a refresher surgical suturing course for me. This has
Hello, Dr. Nasri from Max Vaishali. So I joined the suture skill program today, and it is very helpful for improving the surgical skills.
Hi, my name is Pratyush Dham. I am from Ethicon Endosurgery, and I want to thank Dr. Pawan for this wonderful platform. So it was interesting to see not only the platform to impart our knowledge, but so many eager people to learn. So this is an interesting part of learning, and I think such platforms give rise to a lot of doctors who are able to learn the basics in a very safe and controlled environment. So once again, I want to thank Doctor for this initiative, and let's hope we can have many more such initiatives so that we are able to build a very good surgeon base and able to impart our knowledge. Thank you.
Hi, we are from Santosh Dental College, Ghaziabad. We are doing the first year OMFS there, and today this program was quite useful, and it was very much energetic level was there, and we also have achieved lot of information regarding the suture and also the surgical machineries that was newly introduced to us. Thank you for all this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
तो हम लोग 16 मार्च को हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं टोबैको यूजर्स कैंप। टोबैको यूजर्स जो उतने भी होते हैं, चाहे वो स्मोकिंग कर रहे हों, चाहे वो गुटखा खा रहे हों, चाहे च्यूइंग टोबैको कर रहे हों, कोई ना कोई उनके ऊपर कोई ना कोई इश्यूज़ तो बनते ही, चाहे मुँह का हो या कहीं और बॉडी में भी। तो इस कैंप के द्वारा हम जो चाहते हैं कि उनका हम एक बार जांच कर लें। छोड़ना, तंबाकू छोड़ना ना छोड़ना उनके ऊपर है, बट हम इतना चाहते हैं कि वो किस स्टेज में है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, उसकी हम लोग निदान करके उनको बता दें। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि जितने भी टोबैको यूज़र्स हैं, हमारे मैक्स पटपड़गंज में 16 तारीख को ज़रूर आएँ। 10 से 1 का हमारा कैंप है, तो हम इसको अलग 16 तारीख, 23 तारीख और 30 तारीख 3 हफ्ते हम लोग लगातार करेंगे टोबैको यूज़र्स के लिए, ये खासकर ये कैंप। धन्यवाद।